Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm doing today the hub adjustment on one of my mountain bikes. If you look over here, there's a lot of play in my hub. What I'm doing today, basically I'm adjusting the hub, and I'm gonna quickly guide you through this process and what do you need in order to do this task. Now you're gonna need a wrench number 17 in order to tighten this one, which is gonna fit just like that. That's 17 again. And you're gonna need a cone wrench on the other side, which is number 15 over here, which is going to fit right over here. Yeah, so that's gonna fit right down there. And let me explain to you why you need this one as well. While you get on your wrench over here, which is nice and smooth, what's gonna happen if you look over here? This tool over here will be spinning, and you're not going to be able to tighten this bolt unless you hold this bolt over here on the other side with this cone wrench. And that's one of the reasons why you need both of these tools right here at the same time. And that's pretty much that. Now what I will do right now, I'm going to show you how you do that. Okay, welcome back. So I just want to show you nice and quickly here. I want my cone wrench, which is right here, right over here on this side. And this is where it's gonna fit, right there. Hopefully the camera is focusing nicely. You can see what I'm talking about. Again, I'm gonna just try to bring it in on the camera and just wanna show you here what exactly I want it. Right there, see? Boom, I have it nice and snug, and I'm holding it right now. And let's do the work. Now you're gonna grab the wrench number 17, and here we go. Okay, so look what's gonna happen. Okay, boom. And then you're gonna check for your work. And there's just a little bit of play in there. So again, what's gonna happen? We are gonna go at it right now. Boom. Again, and then downwards. Push it in. Let's try to do this. Okay, beautiful. Come back again. Check the work. Oh, wow. Almost no play. So basically, to recap, I had a lot of play in here in this one here, and now it's nice and smooth and not too tight. And basically that's pretty straightforward how you do your hub adjustment on the mountain bike as well as the hybrid, because this can be a mountain bike wheel set as well as the hybrid. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.